I'm Haveesh. I'm currently in my third year of Computer Science and Engineering at MEC. This summer I interned at Université de Paris in Paris. I worked with LISSI. It is called Laboratory of Image Signals and System Intelligence, which is a part of the Université de Paris. I think my CV is competitive. I was interested in research and was involved in many research projects right from my first year at MEC. I've done projects on image processing and have a research paper to my name, which I think added a lot of value to my CV. Apart from all this, as a student of MEC, I have the French advantage, it being a collaboration with École Centrale Paris. The collaboration also helps you to apply for the Charpak scholarship by the French embassy. I was offered a research internship at LISSI. I worked with the signal image and optimization team in the lab. We worked on image segmentation through meta-heuristics. I was majorly involved in comparative study of unsupervised image segmentation criteria and implementation of a few selected criteria in multi-objective segmentation approach. It basically has applications on medical imaging. I was trained for the first 2 weeks before getting into the actual project. It was a great learning experience as the people who I worked with were absolute geniuses in that field. Our professor, the head of our team, had himself written more than 15 books, which are few among the best sellers on Amazon. So you can imagine the scope of learning from such a person. The team I worked with was culturally diverse. There were people from Tunisia, Algeria, China and US in my team, and most of them were either MTechs or PhD students. When you work with people from different backgrounds and different countries, you get to study their work etiquettes. Their style of living, the work culture is completely different from yours. So it is important to understand the other style of working when you work in a team. On the other hand, I've lived in Paris all by myself for more than 2 months, and my living experience has taught me many life lessons. In terms of my work, I had to understand a lot of complicated things even before I started the actual project, but thanks to my teammates, they've helped me a lot as I was the youngest member of the team. And yes, I had to struggle with my language part. As I mentioned that my team was culturally diverse, I had to manage with my broken French and had to get down my English during presentations to communicate things properly without any misinterpretations. MEC is a great place for learning and has an excellent faculty with good experience in teaching, industry and research. I suggest my juniors to start building your CV from now, because it is important when you have a desire to do an international internship. Not only your CGPA at college, but the projects you do, the research activities you're involved in play larger roles to secure an international internship. So all I can say is explore your desires and see where you can do well to be a better individual in this competitive world.